beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your love and support as always. I'm so grateful. Thank you to you that always share my video, like and comment. Sincerely, I am so grateful. All right, today I brought another wonderful update for us about the plan of Muhammadu Buhari towards Nigeria for a very long time. It came out of reset and it was like, anybody that he sees with AK-47 should be paid. I'm like, for real? So what about the Fulani henchmen that carry it as if it's their family stick? They are the only ones that are accepted or allowed to carry AK-47 in Nigeria to move around. In those days, these people, they don't know what they call AK-47. When they are in the farm or in the forest with their cow, they only go with stick, not the other way around. Then we were even playing with the cow, but these days, if you meet any of them, you must see them with their, as usual, stick. The stick has now been carved, changed, and modelized to another thing else that they use for all their atrocity. That is so bad for the Nigerian government. Nigerian government, I knew that he just made this declaration for something else. He's just trying by all means to make sure he frustrates the plan of Eastern Security Network, but definitely we are ahead of them. So though I appreciate what the Benue governor said about the view of our president towards the speech that he made. So I'm going to drop the video for you guys to watch. Then we come back to expatiate on it. Now watch it.
Nigeria, men they come disturb us. No country will allow that kind of a thing. But here in Nigeria, we allow it. And those people, they are Fulani people. And that is why they believe that they can go anywhere and enter. But it is only in Nigeria. You cannot go to Ghana and enter like that. You can't go to South Africa and enter like that. You can't go to Kenya and enter like that, except you get paper. All this is what they do. The thing, they prove, say, what those Fulani people, where they here, where they no fit arrest them, where they talk, say they won't take over this land. Everything that them go, they lead, they do everything. Now him would they see. That is why would they complain, say, make a Oga on top. No just for the hands now. Make him say they talk about this thing. Make it they make effort. Say himself, it be our own Oga on top. Not be only Fulani people, they will talk. But if another person talks more, they will catch him. You know balance now. That is the thing where would they talk with that now. They know catch Kanu, where they do iPod here. They catch him now. I think they're on the way around. If not now, they would not jail him. So why are they not arresting these people? Where they for forest? Air Force no day again. Soldier no day. Police no day. DSS no day. It never tell where they don't go for the one organization, say the Eastern Security Network. It's an illegal thing, and I support government to clamp down on them. But why should they clamp down on them alone? Why should they leave the Fulani people to be carrying AK-47, AK-49, and even more gun way down big pass where soldiers self no dey fit carry for this country? Police no dey carry, SS no dey carry. Why should they allow them to be carrying this one and they cannot go and carry Air Force, go for air, carry soldier, go for ground, carry police, go catch these people? Why should they do that only in South? That is injustice now. Now the thing where me I dey talk with that. Let it be justice. Let everybody be treated the same thing. The same way where they treat Kanu and iPod and Eastern Security Network. Let them treat the Fulani too now. Why are they leaving Fulani alone? They should go after them. They are all, when they catch people now, any offense they commit, they will say they should come and give them money. And now the Fulani people, they are saying they brought them from outside this country to do an election. And now that election has finished, they have not said they should settle them. So they should come and let these people settle these people so that we will remain here in Nigeria. Stay here, begin do our business. We can't do our business. The little one where you get, the people will be IDP, they can't chop.
Yes, Mr. Man, thank you very much for your words. I really appreciate. But let me correct you for one thing. The Eastern Security Network is not illegal because the the ID card they gave to Fulani herdsmen from the north, that they are Nigeria security, is it legalized? So please, that statement is very bad. They are not legalized, so they don't have right to call Eastern Security Network that they are illegal. At least we have security all over the world. We have security group all over Nigeria as well, so they are not illegal. And Eastern Security Network, their motive is 500% different from Fulani herdsmen. Hope that is clear. So thank you very much for watching. If you know you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe, like and share. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.